Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Hanuman Chalisa fast. Begin by understanding the meaning of each verse. This deepens your connection and aids memorization. Next, break the entire Chalisa into smaller, manageable sections, perhaps 2 to 4 verses at a time. Finally, listen to clear, slow recitations repeatedly. Consistent exposure helps your mind absorb the rhythm and pronunciation naturally. This foundational approach sets you up for quick and effective learning. To enhance your memorization, recite the verses aloud daily, paying close attention to correct pronunciation. Writing down each verse can also significantly help, as it engages your visual and kinesthetic memory, reinforcing what you hear and speak. Consider using a transliteration guide to ensure you are pronouncing the Sanskrit words accurately. This multi-sensory approach strengthens your recall and builds confidence in your recitation. Practice each section until it feels natural. Consistency is key to mastering the Hanuman Chalisa. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to practicing new sections, ensuring steady progress. Equally important is regularly reviewing previously learned verses to prevent forgetting. If possible, recite with a group. This provides motivation, allows for corrections, and creates a supportive learning environment. Regular, focused practice will solidify your memory and make the entire Chalisa flow effortlessly. For advanced learning, try recording yourself reciting and then listen back critically to identify areas for improvement in pronunciation or rhythm. Setting a realistic goal, such as learning 1 verse per day, can make the process feel achievable and maintain momentum. Remember, consistent effort yields the best results. Also, for other great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Happy learning!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.